cow, ox, cattle, bull. This type of meaning. This kanji actually used. This kanji. So here is two sound, mainly two sound. One is ushi. U-shi. One is ushi. Another one is gyu. Another one is gyu. Another one is gi-yu. Another one is gyu. Gyu. So one is ushi, another one is gyu. Gyu. Ushi and gyu. So here is ushi. Ushi means that means a cattle. Cattle. This is called ushi. Ushi. Cattle. Or bull. This is in Japanese ushi. Ushi, and here is gyu. We know the gyu, niku. Gyu. One is niku. Gyu niku. Gyu. Gyu niku. Niku. That means beef meat. Beef meat. Gyu niku. Beef meat. Another sound is gyu new. Gyu new. Gyu new. Another sound is gyu new. Cow's milk or beef milk. Beef milk. Gyu new. Beef milk. One is ushi. Ushi means cattle, cow or bull. Another one is from the cattle or from the cow we can get a two benefit. One is meat, another one is milk. So both one gyu niku and gyu new. Gyu niku. So in purpose of gyu, so gyu, this is also related to cow. So in response of gyu, here is this kanji is used. So how to write this kanji or how to draw this kanji first? Here this one letter, that one. Here is bigger one, and this one, just that one. So again this one, bigger one, and vertical one. This one, bigger one 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 and vertical one. So this is the order of writing order kanji, writing order. So this is a little bigger. So this one, little bigger one, and here is also bigger one. So it's also size of that one almost similar, but in handwritten we can't always the similar. We can't always similar. So this is the purpose of two sound again, ushi and gyu. Ushi and gyu. This kanji is used. We know gyu niku, gyu new, and ushi. This is the words of three words of Japanese. So watashi wa, we know already the watashi. Watashi wa gyu new. Gyu. Watashi wa gyu new. So we didn't know the new, how to write the kanji. So gyū new. Watashi wa gyūnyū o nomimasu. Nomimasu. Watashi wa gyū niku. So this is gyū, and the niku we didn't know till yet. So this is the niku. Gyū niku o tabemasu. Gyū niku o tabemasu. I eat actually beef. I eat beef and I eat the cow milk. Watashi wa gyūnyū o nomimasu. Watashi wa gyūniku o tabemasu.